You are welcome to this week technical analysis. My name is Paradise and I'll be doing a review of what has happened this week and what you should be expecting next week of trading. If you are new to this very channel, Remit Forex Academy, help like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn the bell notification for more updates like this every day. Also check the channel for other educational content. On the Euro-USD chart right at this very point, we see the market move a little bit upward from here to this level of important resistance, and then from this very zone we see the market come back down into this very area. So market retrace a little bit. After retracement, market is about to move down. So what I am expecting as the market open next week is the market come back down into this very level of 1.0480 and this very level of 1.0461. So this very zone of important support is where I'm expecting this market to drop into as we resume next week trading. So pay attention to this very level of support on the chart. Is very important, guys. And as you know, from here market drop right down, create a new low lower than this very one. So for me, market is going to come back down, and remember market has already retraced and retraced up to this very point of important supply. So market with a supply zone. From this area we have serious rejection to the downside, and market is going to go down into this very level of important support. This is what I'm expecting, and this is what you must pay attention to be on the right side of the market next week. And for Euro AUD, for this area, I am still expecting the market to come back down as well into this very zone, and I will be updating you on what to do next on this very pair. So market should come down from here into this very area of important support. Remember, market retrace into this point and then move upward, come back down into the same area, have aggressive move to the upside to this very level of resistance. Then from here market come back down again. I am expecting this market to complete that movement into this area, and if we see a breakout from this zone of support, market is going to move into this very zone of support. So a breakout of this very level of support right here will send the market into this very area, and for that breakout to happen, the market must come back down and have a significant bearish candle that breaks out of this very zone. The market is going to come back into this very level of support. This is what you need to pay attention to right now on Euro AUD in the markets as we approach next week trading. And on GBPUSD, if you look at it, market move all the way from here as we resumed the market last Monday and move into this very zone of resistance, and market crash back down, creates a new low, lower than previous low at this very point. For me, what this means is market is going to continue, because after this impulsive move, market have retraced, and it retraced into this very zone of important supply at this very point. So what this means also is that the market from here is going to come back to the downside and create a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point. So for GBPUSD, expect this market to come back to the downside from where it is right now at this very point. This is what you should be paying attention to right now, so that you be in the right direction of the market. One thing very important on this chart as well is that when the market move into this area of supply, we see a very strong rejection, and market close below this very rejection candle. That means market have high capacity of moving to the downside, and that is what you should be paying attention to right now and as we approach next week of trading. USDJPY, you see the market move significantly downward to complete this very impulsive move. What I am expecting right now as we resume next week of trading is the market not to go below this very level of important support. So this very area of support right at this point of 194.47 and this very zone right here of 149.30. This very zone is where I'm expecting market to drop into. So a little drop for USDJPY, then market is going to retrace again before the next continuation in the market. This is what you should be watching right now on USDJPY, GBPUSD, EURAUD, and EURUSD. This is very, very important. And if you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Check the channel for other educational resources. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.